Find out. I want to find out if she has a boyfriend. She wanted to find out the name of the book. Diane found out where the money was.
What time does the store close?
I'll call and find out. For a long time. He hasn't cut his beard for a long time. He has been waiting for a long time. Miss O'Hara has owned this land for a long time.
Have you been playing the piano for a long time?
No, I've only been playing for 3 months. For a while. He has been underwater for a while. We have been sitting here for a while. I worked in that company for a while.
I'm going to the store. Do you want to join me?
No, I think I'll stay here and read for a while. For example, all of us are familiar with mammals. A cow, for example, is a mammal. I like sweet food. For example, I eat ice cream every day. We are different. I am older, for example.
You said that Fred insults you. How does he insult you?
Well, for example, yesterday he said that I was stupid. For some time. The fish hasn't moved for some time. We have been waiting for some time. This song has been popular for some time.
Have you seen Philip recently?
No, I haven't seen him for some time. For sure. The girl will beat the boy for sure. That girl will win the math contest for sure. You will get the job for sure.
Is your sister going to help you clean the house?
Yes, she said she would help me for sure. For the first time. He is getting kissed for the first time. The boy from Brazil saw snow for the first time. She flew in an airplane for the first time.
Have you been to that restaurant before?
No, I'm going for the first time. For the time being. It's raining. Let's stay inside for the time being. She is sick, so she must stay in bed for the time being. His car is in the shop, so he's using mine for the time being.
Where do you live?
I'm living at my uncle's house for the time being, but I'm going to move into my own place next month. From now on. From now on, maybe you won't play in the street. From now on, I'm free. I promise to be good from now on.
From now on, I'm going to exercise every day.
That's a good idea. You're going to be very healthy. From time to time. From time to time, he likes to go fishing. From time to time, I enjoy going to the opera. The department store has a sale from time to time.
Do you see your grandmother often?
No, I don't. She lives in another city, so I only see her from time to time. Generally speaking. Generally speaking, dogs are friendly animals. Generally speaking, Mexican food is very spicy. Generally speaking, people hate going to the dentist.
Do you like sweet food?
Generally speaking, no, but I do like a few sweet things like ice cream and juice. Get back. I need to get back home before dark. Dorothy wanted to get back to Kansas. I don't know how to get back to the hotel.
When will you get back from your trip?
I'll return in 2 weeks. Get in touch with. He gave me his business card so I can get in touch with him. They can get in touch with me at this address. I've been trying to get in touch with him for weeks.
We haven't talked to Julie recently. We should get in touch with her.
Good idea. Let's call her tonight. Get involved in. He didn't want to get involved in their argument. She wanted to get involved in her school dance team. I don't usually get involved in politics.
Roman and Carla are broke. Should we try to help them?
No, it's not our problem, so let's not get involved in it. Get married to. Her parents didn't want her to get married to a mosquito. Prince Charles got married to Lady Diana Spencer. Sally will get married to Tom in March.
Who is your brother going to marry?
He's getting married to a girl he's been dating for a few years. Get off. The spider got off the ball. The old lady is getting off the bus. She got off the subway at the wrong stop.
How can I get to your house from here?
Take bus number 7 and get off at the 3rd stop. Get on. The spider got on the ball. He got on his horse and rode away. We got on the bus in front of City Hall.
Can you wait while I go to the bathroom?
No, the train is about to leave, so we have to get on now. You'll have to use the bathroom on the train. Get out. Get out of. Get out of here. My father said to the dog, "Get out. Get out of my room right now."
Thanks for giving me a ride to the library.
No problem. I'll stop the car in front of the library and you can get out quickly. Get rid of. He must get rid of his cold. I want to get rid of the ants in my room. My mother got rid of her old dresses.
Can we get rid of these old books?
Yes, I don't want them anymore. Get tired of. I will never get tired of hamburgers. She got tired of hearing the song over and over. He got tired of waiting, so he went home.
I'm getting tired of studying.
Why don't you take a break?